So here we are standing in the garage, and we wanted to just show you the different types of panels and the thickness of the panel. So I'm going to let Weldon run off on explaining the panel, the differences between it, and the options there is with Greenstone.
So this is a 7 1/4 inch panel, giving you an effective R value of 30. The inside and outside, you have a steel stud. The steel stud ends up there and here, and there's no connection between the inside and outside layer, giving you a completely thermally broken envelope panel. So Greenstone has the 7 1/4. You can go down one size to 5 1/2, and then you can go up one size to 9 1/4. So the 9 1/4 will give you an effective R value of 37. Very good insulation value there.
So then from that standpoint, Weldon, so when we get to windows and stuff, does the headers, is there any steel that transitions from inside to outside?
Throughout the whole entire envelope, anywhere, whether it's a window header or a door header or a point load, this is a very heavy point load right here. There is no steel that the inside layer and the outside layer meet.
And maybe Chelsea can jump in on that. Chelsea, why is that important that we don't have steel on the outside connecting to steel on the inside?
Well, for projects that we want to ensure that are very energy efficient, like Carlo's and Vleeming's projects, we want to ensure that there's very little thermal bridging in the wall assembly, because of course, with thermal bridges, heat will transfer from the interior to the exterior and from the interior to the exterior, reducing the performance of the wall.
Perfect, that makes sense to me.